Aguli doliwo shal kologromoi tui kwchama te dolini tui hamya kwchama rokno tui jongjal wngmano bahaikhe hamrei manno rutugui chengkha shalni bagui brainstorming seminar mol slaijakmani rugui fainai shalni amjokmungo sinai noknai rok raida sinai rokno tui progabo bono luwajijakha kaisa nangkukmani seminar Aguli doliwo tui kwchama te dolini tui kochokma drain rokno snamnani bagui haste hapangni PWD tangbedek bai DWS tangbedek ni bkhakte progabo bono chengkha shalni brainstorming seminar mol slaijakmani rugui aguli doliwo tui kwchakha drain ni jongjal amjokmung te fainai salo tamo khlaithai klai aborokno bwskango toniwi luwaji jakha o seminar no pandano chengi rikha aguli puro nigam ni mayor Dipok Mojumdar tongkha deputy mayor Monica Dotto haste hapangni ojama Kiron Gitte aguli puro commissioner Saju Bahit khogui juda juda hapangni tangbedekni ojama rok te sinai noknai rok Shalini o seminaro aguli doliwo tui kwchamani soi fer drain tui pungma mol slaijakmani fero tei kwtal teksoi drain snamnani bagui sbai sukrubui koklam wngkhahini sawi mangkha
We are also doing nowadays the river bank development program for Howrah. So that will be also expanded in the days to come. We started with a small stage and under the guidance of Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Mayor. So we are planning to do it like Sabarmati River, so in a phased manner. In future, we will also work on the Katakal, the development of the Katakal as well as its drainage as well as linking with the Howrah. So all these works will go on, but lot of that depends on the scientific recommendations. Common sense or thumb rule will not apply. So we have to go by concrete data.
Sinai nongnai rokni wansukma doliwo nok huk bangai tongkha te mol slaijakmani fero aguli doliwo tui kwchama sallairuk jongjal rok wngui no tongkha oboni yakni phioknani bagui o seminar nangkukmani samung chariwane hini khaklaijakha Bureau Report News Now